I was just thinking about how wonderful you are. I thought you should now spending time with you is the highlight of my day. I love you deeply. You make me feel wake in the knees when you touch me. I love you. A glance at your glowing smile brings me instant joy on my worst days. My days ends best when I see you smile. Stay safe tonight and always. I love you so much. I cannot explain it even if I tried. Just now you are loved. I want to kiss every inch of you. I adore you. You are my everything. You make me feel like an excited child at a theme park when I am with you. I could stare at you forever and still feel like I have not had enough of you. You make me feel so happy when I am with you. I love you so much. Your eyes are so expressive and beautiful that I cannot help but get lost in theme. I cannot wait to see you later so I can fall in love all over again. You are awesome. I want to make time stand still when I am with you, but it always feels past. You are the one thing that I am most thankful for having in my life. I love you when I leave. The look on your face makes it hard for me to walk away. You could have any guy, but you choose me. That makes me so happy. Love you. I get butterflies when you run your hands across my face. I love you so much. Everything about you has filled my heart. There is no room for someone else. Every emotion I feel stars and ends with you. You are all I need in life. As hard as I try, mere words are not enough to express my feelings about you, darling. Those little minutes with you are so valuable. I cherish you The first time I meet you, I was amazed and still am. I love and adore you deeply. I cherish you and will keep loving you till the end of my life. You are my special star. I adore you more than any obstacle that might ever come between us. You are deeply loved. You are the only person who has the keys to my heart and thoughts. I love you so much. Just a reminder, I am so incredibly in love with you. I cannot wait to see you later today. I promise to walk with you throughout our journey to eternity. My love, you are a precocious gem. You deserve all the best things in the world. I am one of the best. Wink, wink. I promise to be good if you continue being my girlfriend. I dare to say that I can overcome many hurdles and beat all odds to see you happy. That is how much you mean to me. You must be an angel. You look like one. You glow like one. You soar like one. And like the angel you are, you take me to heaven every time I am with you. Your beauty and grace aside, I treasure the time that you gave me. I did not know I could love everything about someone until I met you. Your intelligence and passing are so attractive to me among many other things. If I wrote down why I love you, I would never stop writing. I think about you every day when I wake up. I love you more than I could ever really say. My heart aches when you are not with me. It makes me realize how dull my world would be if you were not in it. I love you. I have been seeking a girl who can complete my life. Behold, the Lord send you. I have been following you online for a while and am confident you are the one for me. Sometimes I fantasy about being coffee. Why you ask? I envy the coffee cup that kisses your lips every morning. I love you deeply. I dream of a world where you and I would live for a million years loving each other. I know I will do never get tired of loving you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Not many people make me all soft and mushy when talking to me. You do that and believe you are the one Allah kept for me. My friends think I am crazy about you. The funny thing is that it is true. Your beauty drove me nuts ever since I saw you. Rise and shine, my darling. Open your arms, size the day filled with new adventures and memories. And remember, I love you. Rise and shine, my darling. Open your arms, seize the day filled with new adventures and memories. And remember, I love you. There are no words to describe how I feel about you. It would be like trying to explain the shape of the wind. I love you is not even appropriate to describe how much I care for you, baby. You are my entire world. I love you, darling, and I will go as far as touching you. Life is greatest gifts to see the most beautiful thing that is your smile. You don't always have to text me back immediately. I just want you to know that I am always thinking of you, my lovely lady. Without your love, I am like a tree that can never blossom. I am like the ocean without water, like a bird without wings. I love you with all my heart. Thanks for watching video.